Welcome back to Drinks and Chill. My name is Jill. This is Matt, and today we are listening to.
What is this? It's just bad lip reading, right?
Yeah. Bad lip reading.
I'm trying to think of like who the artist is, but it's bad lip reading.
Yeah, bad lip reading.
Yeah.
Seagulls.
Mm-hmm.
If you know, you know.
I'm pretty sure you know if you clicked on this video.
Yeah.
Or maybe you were just curious.
Of why we're listening to Seagulls.
Yeah. It's a parody from Empire Strikes Back.
Yep. And by the way, most of us
we're almost done.
Or I'm basically done here.
Yeah.
We're still there. So we're drinking peach tea vodka with sweet tea and a lemon.
Yeah. There will be a link to a video in the description where we made this drink, so you can see how we made it.
Yep.
You ready to listen to some Seagulls?
Ready.
Let's do it. We've heard this, by the way. Just putting that out there.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
There's nothing a little music can't help. Rockin', and rollin'.
I love how he actually looks like he's saying that.
Down to the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did, had me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where did it come from? Now run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run, jump, and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I
forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man. I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Stop it now.
I like how this song sets up my stick. When you said that, like, I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick.
Yep. So if you want us to listen to my stick, please let us know.
Yeah. We heard that one too. You know how much work that had to take to put that video together? Like that.
All the editing and making sure that your lip syncing is on point.
And then like actually recording the music and like all of that, like dang. To make a whole song out of like such a ridiculous like premise
Yeah.
and like actually like have it work. It's just But yeah, there's My Stick, there's Bushes of Love. There's a few of these bad lip reading Star Wars songs.
Yeah.
So if you want us to watch any more of them, just let us know. Until next time though, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know whenever we upload, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.